Punascha janmantara karma yoga sayeva jiva swapiti prabuddhaha puratraye kridati yascha jivaha tatastu jatam sakalam vichitram adharamanandamakhanda bodham yasmin layam yati puratrayancha punascha janmantara karma yoga sayeva jiva swapiti prabuddhaha puratraye kridati yascha jivaha tatastu jatam sakalam vichitram adharamanandamakhanda bodham yasmin layam yati puratrayancha. Again, through connection with the actions of the previous birth, punah janmantara karma yoga. Punah again, janmantara karma yoga. From the connection with the previous birth, with the actions of the previous birth, sayeva jiva, sayeva, that individual self alone dreams, awakes, and plays in the three cities. Puratraye kridaha, he plays in the three cities. From him, indeed, arises the pluralistic phenomenon, and into whom the substratum, the bliss, unbroken consciousness, the three cities dissolve. Akhanda bodham. Akhanda bodham means unbroken consciousness. Adharam, the substratum. Anandam, bliss. Puratrayam, the three cities. Puratrayam, three cities. So again, punaha. So again, when you're born, refers to the sound concept of theory of reincarnation, that nothing ends when a person dies. Death and birth is only a continuity. So death of the physical body, nothing ends at death, isn't it? So the law of cause and effect, which Vedanta puts it, says that what is lost at death is carried forward at birth. So there is a continuity. So punah janmantara karma yogat. So the actions of the previous birth means whatever, we are a product of our own past actions, isn't it? So present vasanas I have is a product of past actions. So the future will be a product of my present actions now. Whatever I have done in the past, the result of that is present vasanas. I have to experience it, isn't it? Ashama, samajh rahe hain? What am I saying? Whatever I have done in the past, whatever I've done in the past, the result of past actions is my current vasanas, which I have to experience it.
Right.
Isn't it? Whatever I do today, the result of that will be the future vasanas.
True.
So let's say when I die now, if I die now, what will happen? When a person dies, what happens?
Will be born with the present vasanas, present actions, sorry.
No, we will be born with the present vasanas
Okay.
into the future. The present vasana is because of past action. That's what the mantra says, no?
Yes.
Through connection with the actions of the previous birth. Means
Right.
my past actions is the present vasanas.
Culminated into the present
Vasanas.
that I'm experiencing.
Correct. Present actions is future vasanas.
Right.
So past actions, present vasanas, present actions, future vasanas. So when I die, you carry forward the vasanas. And where are you born into?
Meaning?
I'm saying what the mantra is saying. Through the connection of the action of the previous birth, that individual self goes through dreams, awakes and plays. Where do you dream, awake and play?
In the next birth.
Where?
No.
In the next birth. In the mantra, he says, Puratre. Remember, I use the word Puratre means in the 3 cities.
3. Okay.
So what are these 3 cities you are born into?
Is it the 3 stages of awakening, dreaming, and deep sleep?
The 3 states refers to the waking, dream, and deep sleep.
Deep.
The 3 cities also refers to the gross, subtle, causal bodies.
Causal body. Okay.
So everything in the Shastras is threefold.
Right.
When you put ash on your forehead, or the vibhuti, you put it's threefold. You put 3, you 3 stripes. You go around the temple, it's thrice. When the pujari is giving you tirtham, also he'll give you thrice. When you break the coconut, also it has got 3 dots at the back. You remove the tuft, there are 3 dots. So almost everything is threefold. So 3 refers to the body, the mind, the intellect, the gross, subtle, causal, the waking, dreaming, deep sleep.
So I have the 3 states here, the 3 cities. तेरे पास में बैठना भी इबादत. इबादत is worship. तेरे पास बैठना भी इबादत, तुझे दूर से देखना भी इबादत. न माला, न मंत्र, न पूजा, न सजदा, तुझे हर घड़ी सोचना भी इबादत. I don't need external aids to worship like mala, mantra or puja. तुझे हर घड़ी सोचना भी इबादत.
Ibadat means?
Worship.
Okay.
Worship. तेरे पास में बैठना भी इबादत, तुझे दूर से देखना भी इबादत. न माला, न मंत्र, न पूजा, न सजदा, तुझे हर घड़ी सोचना भी इबादत. I have to keep thinking of you all the time. I don't need any other external aids to worship you, like the mala, the japa mala, or the puja, or any mantra. Just thinking of you is worship.
Very high state, no? To revel in every phase of life is worship, Correct. Very nice. So, good, ma. Very nice. So that the 3 cities here refers to as Ashama has said, is the waking, dream, and deep sleep. Now there are 2. One of the words the Shastras use here is kridati. You must distinguish this rather from the 2 words. One is kridati. In the Shastras use 2 words, kridati and ratihi. So kridati and rati. So Kridati is used, what it means is when you are enjoying derived from the external objects and beings of the world. When you are in contact with the objects and beings of the world, and the joy you derive from them is known as Kridati. Ratihi means when you are enjoying without the world, without the objects of the world, means you have the capacity to revel in yourself by yourself. So the enjoyment you derive from the world vis-a-vis the enjoyment you derive from within by yourself. So since there's a usage of the word Kridati, I'm saying there's another term or the concept used in the Shastras. Ratihi means you revel by yourself, within yourself, where you don't need the world for your satisfaction. So you are happy and blissful with or without the world. The world may come, the world may not come. The world may love, the world may not love. The world may regard you, the world may disregard you. Irrespective of the objects and beings of the world, you should have the capacity to revel in yourself, by yourself. Atmanyeva, Atmana Tushtha. You find you're happy within yourself, by yourself. That is called Ratihi. And once spiritually evolves, that capacity of Ratihi increases. Means you become self-sufficient. Self-sufficient means you don't need the passing transient world to give you or lend its charm to you. You're all by yourself. But however, my joy tomorrow will be little higher thanks to Gayatri Ma. I'm thanking in advance so that my happiness quotient will be higher, and I have faith in her that she will fulfill her promise, because she has gone to Kolkata, and what else you ask from Kolkata is Rasgulla. So I have told her to bring Rasgulla not only for myself, Reddy Garu, for you also tomorrow. Whoever is there in the meeting tomorrow, we will all have Kolkata Rasgulla. Correct, Gayatri Ma?
Hopefully so.
Hopefully, Allah, don't board the flight. That we have given you that precondition. You will only board the flight with the Rasgulla. Otherwise, you don't disembark, buy the Rasgulla and board. Whatever we talk of Ratihi, but still we are in the state of Kridati only. So hopefully one day we will come to the state where Hariji is parked. Hariji is established in a state of Atma Ratihi. That is a very high state, sir. Now first we will shift from Kridati to Ratihi to Atma Ratihi, where you revel in the joy and bliss of your own self. Christ said, the kingdom of heaven is within you. Man, why can't you discover that kingdom, man? You don't realize what lies within, and you are going out into the world to seek that happiness. Alas, alas. Let the world come and go. Let the world throw what it has at you, but it shouldn't matter at you. That Purna means that you must experience that fullness. That is that we all have it. But the thing is, how much have you realized it? How much have you unfolded it? Because the self in you and me is the same. A self in a realized soul or a sinner is the same. The question is, how much has it been unfolded? Okay. So it's a very interesting set of verses that we've gone through today. It just very, very beautiful. If you revisit them and look at it, what we have discussed today, we talked about the process of churning between negating the lower and the higher, and the process of how to change my perception to look at something that I'm engaging today, how to convert it into pursuing something higher by perceiving it as lower. And we spoke about how you how the individual experiences the waking dream and deep sleep. And here he says that cycle continues in the next birth also. So it's up to you whether you want to keep cycling or get to the self. So we'll leave it at this and we'll come back and we'll continue. Okay. Thank you. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.